Welcome to another tutorial on fundamentals of image processing. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about how do we create borders in an image. So for creating the borders we have this function, which is the cv2.makeBorder function. Now this function actually takes four parameters. So it's actually the image, the border width, which includes four sides, the border type, and the value of the border, means that color value of the border. So what are these border width? They include top, bottom, right, and left. Means the top side of the border, bottom side of the border, right and left side of the border. So let's see how do we actually create the borders. Okay, so let me comment this out. So firstly, as usual, we are going to import our cv2 function. Then I'm going to pass the image where I want to create a border. So I'm going to just copy the path. For this we have init function, and then inside this I'm going to pass the path of the image, and then you just need to give the name of the image and then extension of your image, so person.jpg. Now what we do is that we just go and then let's do some resizing here. So image equal to cv2.resize, and let's resize it to a value of 600 width and 600 height. So once we do this, now let's go and create the image border. So creating the image border. So as we know that we need to take the help of cv2.makeBorder function. So create a variable called brdr and then just go and use this particular function, which is cv2.makeBorder. Okay, now you need to pass your image and then your border width. So let's keep the top size as 10, the bottom size as 10, and let's keep the left and right as 15 and 15. So you can just vary it according to your size. And then let's keep the border type. So we generally use border constant, so I'm going to use the same. So we have border underscore, so you can see a lot of types there, but I'm going to use the border constant since that is most frequently used. So once you have done this, now you finally need to use the color value of your border. So for that you have value is equal to, and then let's keep the value of your color. So let's keep it as 255, 0 and 125, and then let's just close it. So this is what the parameters it takes. So you have image, border width, which is the top, bottom, right and left, and then your border type, which is cv2.border constant, and then you have the color value of your border. After doing this much of thing, you just need to show your border. So for that, show, and then write your Windows name and then the border variable. Then use the wait key, keep it as 0, and then let's just destroy all the windows. Now let's view if it has created the border or not. So yeah, you can see that it has created a border within your image. So creating borders are a very crucial part of image processing. So we will basically look its advantages onto our later tutorials. So basically you can see this is how it has created the border. So this one is your border left, I mean top, bottom, right and left. Now let's keep the top and bottom as 20, and let's see if there is any change. So yeah, you can notice that your top and bottom has increased a bit, right? So this is how you create borders in an image. I hope you have understood this tutorial. Thank you for watching.